back on this Friday morning. So today it's going to be another nice day, some sunshine and some cooler conditions today if you're near Lake Superior. Father's Day is still trending wet, so if you're outdoors, keep the umbrella handy, especially for the morning hours. And then next week we have a couple of hot days. Now this morning, starting off quiet, clear skies downtown Marquette there this morning. Also similar conditions at the Mackinac Bridge. The interior areas into the lower 70s this afternoon with some sunny and dry weather. Winds out of the north. You can expect upper 60s to a few low 70s along Lake Michigan. And then if you are along Lake Superior, you can see that stark contrast of upper 50s to near 60 degrees as compared to the 70s farther inland that's expected. So here's that breakdown. You will likely have more of those mid 70s along the Wisconsin state line in the interior areas of the west end. And some low 70s along Lake Michigan. Again, coolest right along Lake Superior. We're supposed to be at 72. This morning we have high pressure that's moving in from the west, and that's going to keep us with some nice weather today. Our next disturbance is over towards the west coast, and that comes in for Father's Day. So for Father's Day, there is a marginal risk for a few isolated strong to severe storms across portions of the UP and northern Wisconsin. This is low and severe weather threshold. But we'll likely have pockets of heavy downpours, some isolated strong wind gusts, as well as some isolated small hail for any of the storms that form on Sunday. So here's the timeline. This is today. We're looking good and dry. Tomorrow, our winds will be out of the south at around 10 to 15. Starting off with sun and then clouds increasing throughout the day. And then the rain moves in overnight, Saturday night into Sunday morning. This is 6:30 in the morning. The west, central, and eastern, basically most of the UP will have some of these very light to steady rain showers at that point in time. By midday or late morning, this is 11:30, steady to moderate rain in the central and the eastern counties as this continues to push east. And then by 4 o'clock, most of this will be out of the region. So if you have plans to be outdoors, maybe do that after 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We'll see some slow clearing before the next bout of rain comes in for Monday morning. Rainfall amounts of around 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch likely for this upcoming Sunday. Big change in the pattern in the jet stream, big ridge and dome of high pressure dominating our conditions for next week will put us well above the normal. So for Tuesday, I decided to pull out the summer spice scale. Tuesday, we're going to be a habanero hot, indicating we'll likely have a few isolated 90s in interior areas for this upcoming Tuesday. It'll be hot and it'll be humid